Funky.
Hi everybody, this is Tote, back another day with another unboxing, with a Supreme unboxing, and another season, another Supreme bag. I have no use for this tote bag at all. It's just that I usually buy something from the standard assortment. Used to get free shipping or used to have a faster checkout. So some kind of cheap bag is usually what I get used to have. I did the unboxing before because I also have a Redbox logo hoodie, and I got no free gift and I got no stickers at all. So this is a tote bag that is way different than I expected, because I was thinking of having it like a grocery shopping bag, but this is much thicker and actually a little bit smaller than I expected. I was afraid that it was going to be too big, but for grocery shopping it is actually too small. But we have a zipper on top. That is good, so you can use it. I wouldn't say a beach bag because it's white, but feels a little bit safer walk around in a city when you can close it with a zipper. And on the inside, of course I'm going to show you closer, on the inside we have a small pouch as well with a zipper. So that makes it more usable than just a grocery shopping bag. And then we have a small pocket on the front. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a sweatshirt in it just to sort of fill it up and give you the measures. As a size reference, you can fit 2 Supreme hoodies. You can fit a hoodie and a jacket. So I guess it's nice to have with you in the summer. But for grocery shopping, having like a box of cereals or a box of milk or something, crate of milk, is too slim. So I have a hoodie in it now. The zippers are not as easy as they should be. Are they YKK? Yes, they are YKK. But the zippers are not nice, and the final part on one of the sides are kind of hard to close. And then you have to fold it back down or something. I don't know. Just a quick, don't waste your money on this, because with shipping, if you would buy this alone, for me it would cost at least 110 euros, and it's not worth that at all. So maybe that's a carry on, I don't know what I'm going to use it for. So the side are 14 centimeters in the shape, but when you fill it up, it gets thicker, of course. So like this with a hoodie, it's almost 20 centimeters. And the length of it is 36 centimeters. And over here, it's 40 centimeters, maybe 41. So yeah, 12, 36, 41. And that's it for this review. I don't know what I'm going to use it for. If a lady would carry it, I could see that much more than a man, because you can use it as a daily bag. but for me, I don't know. I could might as well do a giveaway. So share this video, get me up to 10,000 views, and I will give away this tote bag. Thanks for watching, and check out my other videos, and please subscribe, of course.